Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi and this morning we're visiting with Dr. Courtney Luecking. She's a registered dietitian and extension specialist for nutrition and health for the University of Kentucky. Good morning, Courtney.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, September is Family Meals Month, and today you are going to tell us why there is such a focus on family meals.
Yes, so I'm excited that it gets a whole month of recognition, largely because there are a lot of positive benefits associated with family meals. This includes positive mental, physical, and social health behaviors. So when families, the more frequently they eat together, there are healthier eating habits. There's a better quality of foods consumed, specifically more fruit and vegetables and less sugar-sweetened beverages. Kids do better in school. Kids have lower feelings of depression and higher self-esteem, and they actually are less likely to smoke or abuse drugs or alcohol. And there's also family benefits. So kids get a lot of benefits, but adults and families at large, there has been shown to be a consistent relationship between better communication and feelings of family connectedness and conflict or problem solving as a family. So a lot of good reasons to sit down together.
Wow, so many benefits, Courtney, and such an encouragement to really make that happen. So what counts as a family meal?
Yes, I think if we were to poll our audience, we'd probably see or hear visions of lots of people gathering around the table, and that is great. But at the end of the day, as long as one adult is present with a child, that can count as a family meal. And we know that family structures look different for everyone, and that's beautiful. And so we can get rid of kind of those maybe historical memories of what family meals were and kind of lower the bar and give ourselves more flexibility and credit for having individuals sit down at the table.
Courtney, I love that because as a working mother myself, sometimes I feel guilt for not having the perfect spread of all kinds of food. And so even just having a simple meal and being there at the table is a family meal, it sounds like. So what tips do you have for us for pulling together a low maintenance, low stakes meal?
One is to create a routine. We all, kids and adults alike, do better with routines. So pick a day of the week or a time of day and a place or space for snacks or meals, and treat it like a commitment you would not skip and that you would stick to. But you also want to be flexible. So I'm saying create a routine that has flexibility. Special interactions are not limited to dinner. I think we oftentimes think of dinner meals. But so think about who's in the home and the schedules and ages of those individuals and pick whatever is easiest. So maybe an after school snack or breakfast for someone who works second or third shift will allow as many people to be around the table as possible. And to your point, it doesn't have to be a spread. So keep the meal or snack simple and short. We don't have to sit around the table for hours on end. Anyone who has young children knows that they are not going to sit for long. And so short and sweet is just as good. Something is better than nothing. And then make it fun. Focus on positive conversations, highlights of the day, checking in with one another or making plans. You could even think about fun questions for the day.
I love the idea of fun questions. Well, some people don't have family or maybe live alone. So do you have any tips for them?
Yes, so the same tips can actually be applied in a slightly different way. So we still want to create routines. Who will we meet up with? When will we meet up? And where will we meet up? Continue to have that flexibility about where and when, and to still keep it simple and fun. Now, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are a bit more limited, but there can be creative and safe ways to share a meal with someone. So whether it's virtually or through a phone while you each eat in your own homes, or maybe you can find an outdoor location to dine physically apart, like a picnic. Or you could think about sharing cooking responsibilities in the future and kind of more of a potluck style to make it less work, but more enjoyable for everyone.
Well, Courtney, thank you so much for helping us highlight and celebrate Family Meals Month. Thank you for watching. And if you have any other questions, please contact your local extension office. We hope you have a great day.